made it up the hill. And that's what we came up, Puke Hill. That trail right there is Pinecone. So I'm ready to get down there.
Pinecone. It's one of the longest descents in Park City. It's one of the best. So it begins up on the ridge that separates Park City from Big Cottonwood Canyon, which is the canyon that's immediately to the west of Park City. So it sits at about 9,500 feet, the ridge, which we'll be climbing up to from Park City. The climb itself, it's long. It takes probably about an hour and a half. Maybe more some days. So you're going essentially from 6,900 feet up to 9,500. Once you get up there, you're rewarded with an amazing view of both Big Cottonwood Canyon and then down kind of Park City, the canyon down here. And then you get on that trail, Pinecone, and it's almost all downhill back to Park City. And it's long, and I love it because it goes through two zones. It goes through an alpine zone where you're cruising through these pines, and it's pretty dark, and it's a super fast trail that has a lot of little whoops in there that you can catch air with, and it really puts a smile on my face. And then about halfway down, you transition into an aspen forest, and the trail gets narrower, and it begins to switch back, and it gets tighter. And that in itself, it's no less fun, but it's a different kind of fun, because you really have to watch your handling on the bike, watch your speed. You have to be careful of hitting your handlebars on the trees, and it's all the while you're just trying to absorb this natural beauty of the aspen forest. And this time of year, we're probably going to see some pretty nice fall colors up there. So the Pinecone descent, probably my number one ride in Park City. This will be the third time I'm doing it. I try to do it once a week when I'm here, and it's always spectacular. Park City, it's a great place to ride a bike, especially a mountain bike. For mountain bikers, U.S. mountain bikers at least, Park City is on the top of many mountain bikers' lists. And the reason is several reasons, but the main reason is that the accessibility of the trails here, you can ride most of them directly from town. The quality of trails, there's a Mountain Trails Foundation here, which is very well funded, and they take extremely good care of the trails in Park City, and the quantity of the trails here is simply unbelievable. There's about 450 miles and counting of trail in Park City.